Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. First learn Python to start your IT career. If you are new to programming, then first learn Python. In olden days, we said first learn C language. Start with C. Now, trending language Python. If you are new to programming, then first learn Python. It is easy to learn, easy to practice, easy to work with. Already you know some programming or testing or networking field or some other technology in the IT industry, no problem. Then also learn Python. It improves your career. First, what is Python? Python is a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, high level open source programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989 in Netherlands, but publicly released in 1991. See, Python is general purpose. What is general purpose? It was not created for specific purpose. Suppose HTML, hypertext markup language for web page design. Suppose Object C, embedded C for designing embedded systems, but it is not for specific purpose. Python is general purpose, means it is for almost everything. Next, interpreted. What is interpreted? See, compiler languages and interpreted languages. For example, C language is compiler based language. Java, compiler based language. C++, compiler based. Next, VB script, Perl, Python, all these are interpreted based. Interpreted based is easy to execute. For example, in compiler based languages like C, C++, Java, we have 3 steps. Write programs in an editor, compile the programs and execute the programs. Write program, compile program and execute program. In interpreted languages, only 2 steps. Write program and run the program. While running the program, it will automatically compile and run. Simple. See, general purpose. Purpose not specified for Python. It is for almost every purpose. Interpreted. No need to compile Python programs. Interpreted. Just create programs and run. Next, interactive. Python supports interactive mode and scripting mode. You can write programs. You can write program steps and execute. Step-by-step execution. Otherwise, script mode also means write your entire program in a file and execute at once. Otherwise, write line by line and execute. Write first line, execute. Second line, execute. Interactive mode. Python supports interactive mode programming and script mode programming also. Next, object oriented. See, C language, functional language, or you can say structured programming language. C language is functional programming language or structured programming language. Java, object oriented. C++, object oriented. See, it is Python also object oriented programming language. It supports inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation like object oriented programming features. Next, high level. High level means it supports high level programming, means you can write programs in easy English. A equals to B if A greater than B, for, while, when, do, until, like easy English words. See, computer understand things in terms of binary language only, binary language, zeros and ones. But you no need to write binary language, that is low level language. You can write in easy English, that is high level language. See, English language is high level to computers, but user point of view, English is very easy. So it supports high level language. Next, open source programming language. Open source code available on net. Anybody can download and use it with free of cost. Here two terms, freeware, open source. Both are for free to use. What is the difference? Freeware means you can download and use the software with free of cost. Open source means it is also for using with free of cost, but source code also available on net. Anybody can download the source code and you can customize the source code according to your requirements and you can use. See, open source programming language. Say we justified all words of this sentence. Python is a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, high level and open source programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989 in Netherlands, Europe country, but publicly released in 1991. Say it is older than Java language also. Java publicly released in 1995. Python publicly released in 1991, 29th year. Next, Python and all the necessary tools available on all major platforms. So it supports cross-platform. You can work with Microsoft Windows, Unix flavors like Linux, Macintosh, and different hardware platforms. See, different hardware platforms as well as software platforms. Basic understanding of computer terminology and of any of the programming language is a plus. See, prerequisite to learn Python programming, basic understanding of programming terminology. If you have programming language knowledge, it is a plus. If you don't have programming knowledge already, no issue. If you know at least computer programming terminology, example, what is comment in programming, what is data type in programming, what is variable for storing data, what is operator, operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations, what is conditional statement, what is loop statement, what is function, like what is what. Basic understanding of computer programming terminology is enough for learning Python. Python is easy language, powerful language, and first to learn Python to start your IT career. If you are new to IT industry or experienced in IT industry, no issue. First, try to learn Python to start your IT career. If you are a fresher, first learn Python. If you are experienced, try to learn Python now. Okay. Next, how is Python used? Python can be used for nearly everything. Already we discussed. Python is general purpose programming language. It is not for specified purpose. It is not for specified purpose. General purpose programming language. Python can be used for nearly everything. For example, designing desktop UIs. UIs means user interfaces. Web server side programming, scientific applications, mathematical applications. Next, data science applications, and in game software. Next, machine learning, etc. areas. Majority of web applications and platforms rely on Python, including Google search engine, YouTube, on the web-oriented transaction system of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, etc. Python can also be used to process text, display numbers or images, solve scientific equations, and save data. Say Python is mainly used for creating desktop user interfaces, web server-side programming, scientific applications, mathematical applications, data science, artificial learning and artificial intelligence and machine learning, etc. In software testing also, suppose if you want to work with Selenium with Java available, Selenium with Python also available. As a tester, you can work with Selenium with Python. Say for development, it can be used for development, software testing. Suppose if you are a network administrator, for scheduling your network tasks, you can write Python programs. Okay. Next, Python features. Python can be used for nearly everything. We already discussed this one. It was not created for specific purpose. Python can be used for nearly everything. Next, easy to read. Python source code is fairly easy to read, easy to learn. First, easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows a person to pick up the language quickly. Next, easy to read. Python syntax is easy to read and understand. Next, easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. Next, a broad standard library. A broad standard library. Python's bulk of the library is very portable and cross-platform, compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh environments. We already discussed it. Python is cross-platform. It can be used on different types of software environments, means software platforms like Microsoft Windows, Unix flavors, Linux, Macintosh, etc. It supports various software platforms as well as hardware platforms. Next, interactive mode. Python has support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of the code. Next, portable. Python can be run on the wide variety of hardware platforms and the same interface on all platforms. Next, databases support. Databases. Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. Next, scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Next, distribution of Python, or you can say implementations of Python, flavors of Python. CPython. CPython is a reference implementation of Python written in the C programming language. You can use CPython language. It is one of the flavor of Python, or one of the implementation of Python. CPython can be used with C programming applications, C language applications. Next, Jython. Java Python is called Jython. Jython is an implementation of the Python programming language that can be run on the Java platform. Jython programs use Java classes instead of Python modules. Jython compiles into Java bytecode, which can be run by Java Virtual Machine. Say if you want to work with Java applications, Jython can be worked with Java applications, Java, Python. Next, Iron Python, another flavor or another implementation of Python. A Python implementation written in C# targeting Microsoft's .NET framework. Similar to Jython, it uses .NET Virtual Machine, commonly language runtime. Iron Python can use the .NET framework and Python libraries, and other .NET languages can use Python code very efficiently. Iron Python can work with .NET applications. Next, latest one, not latest, already developed in 2012. Anaconda Python. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages. Combination of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing, data science, machine learning, and large scale data processing. Next, last point in this video, practice Python programming. How to practice Python programming? Simple. Download and install Python. Download Python from Python official site python.org. Download your operating system compatible Python software. Suppose mine is Windows 10. I downloaded Windows 10 compatible Python software. Download and install Python software. Next, after downloading, you can get Python shell, Python console, etc. Write code in Python shell and execute. That is one type. Next, write code in the Python console and execute. That is another type. Otherwise, if you want to develop Python applications, set up Python environment in Eclipse IDE like integrated development environment.